Guys, welcome to our vlog. Right now we will be cooking our own version of pork sinigang. There are many versions of pork sinigang, especially dun talaga sa magagaling magluto. Iba't ibang version, kanya-kanyang style. But right now, gusto ko lang i-share yung aming style and version of pork sinigang. And you will see the ingredients. It's very odd. It's not that the usual ingredients of pork sinigang. Okay, and here are the ingredients. We have half kilogram of pork. We have diced tomatoes. Of course, hindi mawawala ang sibuyas. And one of our unique version is patatas. We have salt to taste. And instead of using kangkong, we will be using pechay. And of course, we have pork cubes and sinigang sa gabi mix. Okay? So right now, we will start cooking our own version of pork sinigang. Okay, first we have to put the pork into the pan. Okay. This is a mixture of liempo and medyo may mga buto. Okay. And of course, after we put the pork in the pan, we have to put in the ingredients. First, the onion. Sibuyas muna. And then, tomatoes. Okay. Okay. And then, of course, we have to put in the salt as well. And right now, here's the unique way of us cooking sinigang. Marami pong version ng sinigang, pero ito po ang sa amin. Put some plastic gloves. And we have, I called it manual marination. Okay? Parang imamarinate mo siya. You have to mix the ingredients, which includes yung tomatoes, kamatis, sibuyas, onion, and yung salt. Okay? You have to mix it manually with your bare hands. Of course, kailangan natin gumamit ng plastic gloves. Okay. We have to do it maybe 5 to 10 minutes for the flavor to sink in sa pork. And of course, para talagang sumarap yung flavor ng ating pork sinigang. Napakarami pong version ito and talagang namang masasarap. But we have the version of ours talaga namang medyo may pagmamalaki rin, and I want to share with you dahil napakasarap naman. Okay, try it. This is our own version. Yan, we just have to manually marinate it using our hand. Okay, for the flavor to sink in sa pork. Okay, do it in 5 to 10 minutes. Just the flavor to sink in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Make sure that all the ingredients, the pork, tomatoes, and the onions ay talagang nahalo natin. Kasi yan talaga yung magpapakasarap ng ating sinigang. Okay. We have to rub it like that. Rub lang natin ang ganyan. For 5 to 10 minutes. medyo kinakrush ko yung tomatoes. Inipiga ko ng medyo ganyan yung kamatis para maganda lang yung flavor. Okay. Yan. So after 5 to 10 minutes of manual marination, after 5 to 10 minutes na ating paghalo ng sibuyas, kamatis, and pork together with salt, we will have to set this one aside maybe for another 10 minutes para lang mag-sink in more yung flavors. Okay. Okay. Yan. Okay. So that's it. So we will have to wait 10 minutes before we bring it to boil. Okay. Okay. So after we did the manual marination and pinarest na natin siya ng 5 to 10 minutes or maybe 10 minutes or so, lalagyan natin siya ngayon ng it right there. Okay, and right now it's time na pakukuluan na natin siya. Okay. Yan. Okay. Okay. And we have to turn on the heat right now. Okay. Right now, what we will do, pakukuluan natin siya. Maybe around an average of an hour na hindi natin bubuksan. Okay. For the flavors to mix in very well, maghalo-halo talaga sila and maglasa sila sa pork. Okay? Okay guys, after 1 hour of boiling, ito na yung itsura niya. Okay. Lapit natin ng konti para makita natin. Yan. So yummy. Medyo ready siya because of the kamatis. Ganyan yung itsura niya after an hour. So, ina-expect natin na medyo tender na yung meat. And nag-sink in na lahat ng flavors dyan. Okay, so right now, what we will do is we will put in, medyo magulo yung aking videographer. Bunsoy ko yung videographer ko. And right now, we will be putting in our pork cubes. After we put in our pork cubes, halagay na natin yung ating potatoes. Very good. Okay. Medyo haluin natin ng konti para mas kumalat yung potatoes. And after that, okay, halo lang ng konti. Nandyan na yung patatas. And right now, nalagay na rin natin yung pork cubes. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating sinigang sa gabi mix. Okay. Nilagay ko lang is 3/4 para matansya natin yung lasa later. Okay. So, right now, we mix it again. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Medyo reddish talaga siya because nang ginamit naming tomatoes, talagang hinog na and napakapupula. Okay? So, as of right now, okay. And haluin lang natin ng konti. Tapos, and right now, lalagyan din natin siya ng 1 teaspoon of salt. Patis. Okay. Just to add flavor to it. Okay. Then mix it all up. Okay. So right now, medyo lower down na natin yung apoy, yung heat, and we will slow cook it to perfection. Okay. Lower down natin yung heat, like this one, and lower down natin yung heat. Kanina, medyo malakas siya ngayon. Hinaan na natin siya. Yan. And we'll actually cook it for about 15 to 30 minutes. Okay. For the flavors to sink in pa rin. Okay, so makikita na natin yung potatoes and yung pork. Talagang magsisink in yung flavor niyan. Okay. You will taste it right now. Okay. Okay, ayos ang lasa. Okay. We'll have to cover it again. We'll have to wait 15 to 30 minutes. Slow cook it to perfection. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, so after 48 hours of waiting, 1 hour of boiling, and 30 minutes of slow to perfection process. Ito na po siya. Yan. Okay. This is what makes it unique. Okay. Usually, ang ina-add ay siling green. Siling haba. Pero sa amin, nag-add ako ng siling labuyo. Para lang may konting sipa. Okay. Then, halo. And we're almost done. Okay. Okay. And simmer it after 1 to 2 minutes. Yan. Okay, we'll wait mga 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. And that's why we have own version ng sinigang. And because we're using potatoes, patatas yan, pechay, and siling haba, and the manual marination. So, right now, ito na siya. Okay, lalagyan na natin ng pechay. Okay, we're almost done. Ng pechay. Dahil si Mami, instead of kangkong, ayaw niya ng kangkong. Gusto niya ng pechay. Yan. Okay. Then simmer it again for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, so after 1 to 2 minutes, eto na po. Turn off the heat. And this is our finished product. Our own version of pork sinigang. Okay. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, like, and if you have any violent reactions or any comments about this vlog, put some comments, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.